I went to Prada and I did a bad thing. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Tevele London and I love fashion. In today's video I'm going to be doing a luxury unboxing haul and I'm really excited to do it. So guys, this is going to be a sit down video. If you want a more thorough review on any of the things that I show you guys, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I am super excited. I have been shopping. Honestly guys, I've been shopping like the shops are about to close, but nevertheless the damage has already been done, so yeah, there's nothing I can really do. So all I can do is show you guys what I've got. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing today guys. So yes, if you are interested in seeing some of the things that I picked up, or you are just looking for some inspo dolls, then definitely keep on watching and be sure to let me know what your thoughts and opinions are, because I definitely need them. Okay guys, so I was literally waiting for this one item to arrive before I could do my unboxing haul, and it is here. It is this House of Sunny dress. This dress, I don't know, like, is it luxury or is it like premium? I don't really know, but it was in vogue, so I'm gonna go with luxury. So I'm just gonna open it now guys, and yeah, let's see what we think about it. I'm not that keen on the fact that the dress has come in a plastic bag, but it's okay. The bag that it's in, I can already see that it's biodegradable, so I think that's good. So I picked up the green one. Guys, this is the dress. Ooh, what do you guys think? I've seen it everywhere and I'm feeling it. It's really soft and it kind of feels like a towel, like, I don't know, maybe not a towel, like a blanket. Guys, I just don't even know how to describe this dress, but guys, yeah, this is the House of Sunny dress and it's got cutout details at the back. Yeah, it's cute. I definitely need to try it on, but not right now and not on this video. So guys, the next thing I picked up were a pair of shoes, and I just realized this is going to be a very green haul. So I went to, ooh, they just do like loads and loads of trainers, and yeah, there you go, clue. I picked up a pair of Jordans. Me and my friend were trying to get these done. Between two of us and 8 devices, we were unsuccessful. So I just was really upset and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go and treat myself to a pair of Jordans. Guys, these are the trainers. Okay, I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, I know that, but I changed the laces. So basically, I'll just show you them. I'm talking too much. So these are the shoes that I picked up. They originally came with this bubblegum pink laces, but I don't know, like, I just wasn't feeling it. So yeah, I changed the laces. I had some like old white laces at home, so I changed them, and I don't know, like, I just think they're fabulous. I've already wore them out, so yeah, that unboxing was a bit fake, but if you had those trainers you would understand. Now let's get into the juicy stuff, which is probably what you guys are here for. So yeah, let's get into some bags. Actually, before that, let's get into a perfume. So the next item that I want to show you is this perfume. Oh, can you see it? I had to do it. I know I'm a little bit late to the party, but it's okay, I've still arrived. I picked up the Maison Baccarat Rouge 540. This perfume, anyway guys, this is the perfume. It's so delicious. I can smell it from outside the box. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Gorgeous. And let's go right back how I found it. Ooh, can you smell that? It smells so good. Let's get into it guys. I know why you guys are here and we're gonna do it today. You guys want to see the bags? Are you ready? Guys, I went to Prada and I did a bad thing. I picked up Prada bags. So the first bag that I'm going to show you is this one. This is the reedition 2005. It is a leather bag as well, and it's got the silver hardware, very similar to that like really popular nylon one. It also comes with a chain, really cute, right? And it comes with a strap as well. that is the strap that it comes with. But as I said, guys, if you want like a more detailed review of the bag and different ways to wear it, then let me know and I will do that for you. So yeah guys, the next bag that I got is, just guess while I'm unboxing it, just take a guess. The same bag and a different fabric. This one's the nylon one. This is the one that is like really popular. So yeah, I don't know, like I picked up two. I just couldn't decide which one I liked more. One's very smart, one's very casual, and I thought, do you know what, the bag is so cute, I could wear it with my crop. I'm joking, guys. I just really wanted to have a reason to show them because all my friends just think that I look silly in them, but I just think they're so cute for like doing things in the house, running to the corner shop. I know this is just so off topic, but guys, what do you not think about my Crocs? Because I'm feeling a bit subconscious about them. I just think they're so cute. But yeah guys, so literally that is the end of my luxury unboxing haul. It was a very quick video. I literally just wanted to show you guys what I have. Some of these things have already been shown on my Instagram, which is at @TeveleLondon LDN, same as my YouTube name. So yeah guys, go and follow me on there if you want to get previews of this stuff before I come on YouTube and show them. And yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like this video. And also I just want to say as well, like, thank you so much for everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I only recently just started it, and I don't know, like I was like, I want to pop some champagne because I got 100 subscribers, and I know it's not a lot, but it's a lot to me, and more than I ever thought I would get. So thank you guys for that. You guys are amazing. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care guys. Bye.